What's up? In today's episode, we're going to be talking about multiple topics. So we're going to have topics like the new cooking system, not really new, you just didn't see it yet. The new mob type, which is an animal mob type. We're going to be talking about that. Without further ado, this is Sword Islands and this is episode 6. So welcome back. Let's start by showcasing the new mob type, then segue to cooking. So far, every entity you meet got some personal issue. They all get aggressive the moment they spot you, much like real life. That's why a change of pace was needed, which led to the idea of passive mobs to be born. The main goal behind them is gathering resources. The passive mobs could be identified through the special icon on their HUD. Other aggressive mobs will have their rank displayed, while passive mobs will have this icon instead. Most of them will run away when you attack them, but others might have different self-defense styles like hiding or jumping or disappearing, you get the idea. Now we came to the cruel part. And trust me, as much as I want these sheep eating grass peacefully, this is a video about cooking, so you know where this is going. So, I think I have enough now. By the way, I don't know if you noticed the new loot mechanic where the items just pop after the mob dissolve and then they jump to you the moment you get nearby. It's kinda smooth, not gonna lie. Definitely better than the old panel. Did you know that depression and sadness are at an all-time high? I'ma just be a +1 to the statistics if this project flopped. This is why you should wishlist the game on Steam, link is down below. We need around 5k wishlist to even think about releasing, so each one count. Now back to the video. So it's about time we talk about the cooking system. It's really simple, nothing complex. So when you're ready to start cooking, head over to the stove on a bonfire looking thing, and a panel will appear to help you fill the ingredients. On the right panel, you'll see all the cookable items stored within your inventory. And here on the left, you will see the slots for cooking the recipe. Now each meal you try to prepare will have a different pattern or order in which these slots need to be filled in. To make it more clear, let's try to cook something using the meat we collected from the hunt. I'm thinking maybe grilled meat with cheesy cream on top. Let's go wild with them calories. Now I already have some cheese in the inventory here, but I need a second one. To make cheese, you can simply mix 4 bottles of milk. Hit cook, watch the cool particles, then grab the cheese. Now let's store that back in our inventory and use it along with the other cheese to make our meal. Put the 2 slices of meat down. And there you go. You can eat it or store it for later, but I'm just go and there you go, we just gained some HP and mana. Now as much as I wanted to make it more complex by having you cut tomatoes with a knife and put it in a stove, I want to remind you that the goal isn't to make a cooking simulator, but just something that isn't too shallow nor complex. And I feel like I'm up to something with the current cooking system. In the full game, I would like to make tons of meals and recipes that you can find across the islands, but only time will tell. For now, there is around 30 different meals that you can make. Each one of them will give you or will result in different stats, whether it's HP or mana or both. But the higher rarity of the ingredient you're using, the higher the benefits are of the final dish. With that amount of information, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the progress. Feel free to join our Discord server or wishlist the game on Steam. Also make sure to save up some money, because a Kickstarter campaign might be on the horizon. See you all in the next video. Take care.